All right, so today we are unboxing a new release from Timex. This is a watch that, as soon as I saw the original release pictures, I think it was on Instagram, it was going to be a must buy for me. I just thought it looked really cool. There is a couple of negatives with the watch that I'm aware of, or that I was aware of going in, that we'll talk about, but looks to be a pretty cool one. Now, I've recently done a collaboration with Timex, but this is not that. I did purchase the watch with my own money. So let's get to it and check out the watch. All right, so before we get into the watch, I just want to mention next weekend on the 29th of October from noon to 5, I am hosting a meetup at Gem Bijou, the shop that I work at. If anybody wants to come down, hang out, chat watches, try on some watches, you're more than welcome. Really looking forward to having that little get together. So definitely, if you're in the area, pop by. The other thing that I want to mention, and the funny thing is, he's also from Toronto, and he may be attending on Saturday, but the owner of the new strap company, Merchant Straps, he sent me a few straps that I'm going to be doing a video on here soon. And I have two 18 millimeters that are the size for the watch in the box here. So we're going to try those on at the end of the video too, but let's get into the Timex. All right, so using the Victorinox here today. This watch was held up at the border for quite a while, and I believe it must have been inspected. I think this red tape was not put on by Timex. Okay, so I might be wrong, but I thought I'd seen an unboxing of this watch already, and it wasn't in a longer box like this. I thought it was in a square box. I have to double check. Hopefully they sent the right one. All right. Get that stuff out of the way here. And here it is. They did send the right one. I can see just barely. The Reverse Panda. Kind of weird. They're calling this the Q Diver Chronograph. I don't see anything much that makes this qualify as a diver, but there we go. Looks to be pretty well the same case as the other Q Timexes that I've had. Getting a little closer here. I think it's a nice looking watch. See how it holds up after a few days of wrist time. Quick release. That's nice. Now, one of the negatives with this watch is, oh, we've got a little tab there. One of the negatives with this watch is, first of all, the 18 millimeter. I'm not a huge fan of. I just don't have a lot of 18 millimeter straps. I do kind of like that Q, the oversized Q. And then the other thing is the 24-hour subdial. See that on a lot of quartz chronographs lately, and I'm just not a fan. It's borderline a useless function of the watch to me, but it is what it is, and it does look good. Let's try it on. And here it is. And the strap is quite stiff right out of the box. I'm sure it'll break in fine, but I will likely be wearing it on those other straps. Anyways, the watch, I think, looks amazing. I love this dial layout is just perfect for a chronograph to me. And it's been quite a while since I've had a reverse Panda, so that's kind of cool to have in the watch box. Really nice looking watch. I'm really going to enjoy this one. So Let's take a look at this on a couple of the straps from Leather Merchant. And here it is with a little pop of color thanks to the green Epsom from their Elegancia lineup. Their straps are top notch, very good quality straps. I've been actually wearing the Bambino the last few days on some of their straps and really enjoying them so far. These are the two latest additions to my own personal collection, and I think these make for a really nice 1-2 punch when it comes to an affordable two-piece collection. Both really nice watches, loving the Bambino so far, and videos on both of these watches, full videos on them will be coming soon. So let's take a look at the next strap. And before I show it to you on wrist, I just realized we haven't even tried the chronograph. I just tried it off camera, and the action on the top pusher is non-existent. There is zero click to it. It's just a little bit of a smush, and it gets going. Same when it comes to stopping it, with a little bit of tactile feedback on the lower pusher. So check out this combo. I love the fact that this has just slightly off-white stitching, which pretty well matches the subdials. Not quite exactly the same, but really close. What's cool about this strap is this is my first ostrich leather strap, and the quality feels awesome. Nice looking strap. It kind of dresses the watch up a little bit. And yeah, very cool. This is from, I believe this is called their Fast Bird collection. And looking forward to some wrist time on it with this strap on it. So let's check it out on wrist. Oh yeah, this is definitely the one. Beautiful pairing for the watch. All right, so that is it, guys. I really appreciate you taking a few minutes to stop by today. Again, follow-up videos on the Bambino, the Timex, as well as these straps will be coming in the future. I have a whole bunch of watches in right now for videos, a couple of really cool ones, so keep an eye out for those too. Again, if you're in Toronto on the 29th of October, definitely pop by Gembigio. I'd love to see you there. Thanks so much, and we'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.